If you're experiencing payout issues with Enphase Energy, it's important to address them promptly to ensure you receive your payments without delay. Here is a straightforward guide to help you resolve these issues quickly. Step 1. Review your account information. Check your Enphase Energy account to ensure that all your personal and banking information is accurate and up to date. Look for any discrepancies that might affect your payouts. Step 2. Verify payment schedule. Consult the payment schedule provided by Enphase Energy. Make sure you understand when payments are typically issued and confirm that you are within the expected time frame for receiving your payout. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check for pending documentation. Ensure that you have submitted all necessary documentation required for your payouts. Sometimes, missing paperwork can delay the payment process. Confirm with customer support if any documents are still pending. Step 5. Follow up regularly. After your initial contact, make sure to follow up regularly with customer support. Keep a record of your communications and any reference numbers provided to ensure your issues being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve payout issues with Enphase Energy. Stay proactive and keep communication open to ensure smooth resolution.